Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the Mac before attempting any fixes or installs. Check that you have at least 20 GB free before upgrading and remove unneeded large files. Confirm a stable internet connection and plug your Mac into power to avoid interruptions. Restart the Mac and then boot into safe mode to isolate startup or extension conflicts. Note the current Mac OS version and the exact error message shown in System Settings or Installer. These details guide the correct repair path and avoid unnecessary resets or data loss. Apply common fixes that resolve most update failures without data loss. Reset NVRAM and SMC to clear firmware and power-related issues that block updates. Run disk utility, first aid on the startup drive to repair directory problems and file system errors. Sign out of Apple ID and back in to refresh update permissions when App Store downloads stall. If the installer still fails, create a bootable USB installer and install Mac OS directly from external media. These steps resolve many update errors while preserving user data and settings. Use advanced recovery only after backups and initial fixes fail. Back up your Mac with Time Machine or a clone so you can restore files and applications. Boot into Mac OS Recovery to reinstall the operating system without erasing the internal drive when possible. If recovery is corrupted or your firmware is older, use Internet Recovery to download the correct installer from Apple servers. As a last resort, erase the drive and perform a clean install. Then restore from your backup to return your system to working order with updated Mac OS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.